Last time we have seen how to let's say sync, not sync, to how to add a repo to one repo. So I have the same. I have a repo here. Let's see, Anoma Vision, and I have it also here with the same with the same with the same content, at least this point here. And if you see here, I can see the the remotes, and you can see here this GitHub, it's connected to the GitHub and also connected to the Azure DevOps. Now the default one you see git add and git commit and git push. The default one will be to the Azure DevOps. Let's say this one here. Now I have sometimes when I have done some changes, I have also to be reflected directly in this in the GitHub here. So what I have to do, I have also told you last time we need a pipeline, and for this I have created a pipeline here, and let me show you how this is working. So here this is a pipeline. I mean, why this is important? Because I would like to make sure that everything is running in your side when I start with the from from tomorrow. I think tomorrow I will start with building a real MLOps pipelines. And here you can see I have the pipeline here, and you can see it's called let's see sync to GitHub, and this is the most important stuff. Here you need to change to your email, so add your email and also the GitHub account name. This you need to do it yourself. Just you need to change here. And what I have to do here, I have, because I have already add the remote, a GitHub remote to this repo. First, I will remove it, then I will try to add it. As you can see here, it's adding add get remote add GitHub, and you can see the name, and the name will be taken from the current repo. For instance, this is our repo here, Anoma Vision, and the name will be here replaced by Anoma Vision here. Now I will push to the main branch, which is, I will say, pushing to the main branch directly. It's not a good practice, but I will just I'm starting step by step to give you everything, and everything. I will, let's see, I will update this, and we will see how it's working. Now I have this pipeline here. So what you have to do is just go to the pipeline. I mean to now any changes in this repo here. Let's see, in the DevOps, it has to be, let's see, directly committed into the GitHub here. Now for that we have to create a pipeline and use this YAML file. And let me just show you how I did that. New pipeline. Then you need to select the repo you have. For instance, this one here, and it's in our case it's Anoma Vision. Now I need to, let's say, select existing Azure pipeline. So I will see here, select the pipeline that we would like to run with every changes in this repo, and let's see, continue. I'm not quite sure what will happen because I have already created. Now you can see here, this will be directly running automatically when I have any changes to this GitHub. So let me just show you one example. So I will just go here. It's because I have already created this pipeline, you can see, and it will be running when I have any changes to this GitHub. So if I just go to the Anoma Vision, let me just open this. And let me only remove something or delete. Maybe eval. This is just to show you what I mean by running automatically. So if I see here, this is to make a complete evaluation on your data set. And now if I just push this, so you can see change eval file, and let's see git commit. I mean, this is commit and key, sync the changes. Now if you see now the pipeline, let me just go to the pipelines, and a pipeline will be triggered automatically. As you can see here, it's triggered automatically. Now we will see the changes if the pipeline is running correctly. We will see the changes in the eval function. For instance, here's the eval function in a GitHub, and you can see it has nothing. So, but if the pipeline is working, we can see it in a moment. So let's just wait a bit. Yeah, by the way, this will be pop up, this window here. You just need to sign in and give authorization. I will say okay. Authorization successfully. Now let's see, close and see the pipeline. Now the pipeline is running correctly, and if I just go to the GitHub, make a refresh here, and you can see this line was added. Is it? Yeah. And you can also see the commit. So I think will be here 1 minute. See, change a alpha. Change is for wrong word, but this is anyway. This is how to do so. So this I already did that for my Anuma Vision. I also added to the other repo, which is this one here. And you can see industrial. Go to the pipeline files, pipelines, and I have here this, and you can see I have the same stuff. So you have to do this by creating a pipeline, because here you can see I have two pipelines only for this sync between GitHub and DevOps, and it's a good practice indeed to keep everything up to date. So why I have done this, because when I add something here in this repo, and it's directly will be moved, or let's see, committed in both repos. This one is private, so you can't see anything here, and the GitHub, you can see any changes I have done in this repo here directly. So it's just for you to make sure that you have access to everything I have done in my DevOps account. That's it, I think. And if you like this, please subscribe into my channel, share, comment, and like. And see you next time.